Ever wondered about growing your own edible mushrooms at home? Well, embracing this fun and rewarding hobby offers a host of benefits. It's a healthy, sustainable, and cost-effective way to enjoy these culinary delights. Today, you're going to learn just how simple it can be. First things first, gather your materials. To grow your own edible mushrooms at home, you'll need a few things. Start with a mushroom growing kit, which usually includes spores and substrate. You'll also need a spray bottle for misting. Mushrooms love a humid environment. Lastly, find a space in your home that can maintain a consistent temperature, typically between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you have all these items, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you have your materials, it's time to set up your mushrooms. Begin by placing your growing kit in a location with indirect sunlight and where the temperature remains fairly consistent, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure to mist your kit daily with water, but avoid oversaturating it. This mimics the damp, cool conditions mushrooms thrive in. And remember, patience is key in this process. Keep an eye on your kit, and before you know it, you'll start to see growth. With proper care, you'll see growth in no time. After a few weeks, you'll see your mushrooms start to grow. When they've fully opened up and the edges are slightly turned down, it's harvest time. Gently twist and pull at the base to remove them. Now, how about a simple sauté in garlic and butter? Or maybe a hearty mushroom soup? The possibilities are endless. Remember, the fresher the mushroom, the better the flavor. Now you're ready to enjoy your homegrown, delicious, and nutritious mushrooms. Growing your own edible mushrooms at home is a fun and rewarding experience. We've walked you through gathering materials, setting up, caring for, harvesting, and enjoying your mushrooms. Why not give it a try? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home gardening tips. Happy mushroom growing!